Warning, sell your Bitcoins for altcoins as soon as possible. Back in 2017, before Bitcoin went parabolic, in the first half of the year it only went from $1,000 a coin to $2,200 for a 120% gain. But during the same time period, Ethereum went up 2,287%. Going from $8 to $191, outperforming Bitcoin by a factor of 19 to 1. Ripple went from half a penny to as high as 40 cents in the first half of 2017 for a 6,566% return, outperforming Bitcoin 54 to 1. Litecoin returned 540%, going from $5 to $32. And Stellar returned 2,180%. Monero only outperformed Bitcoin by 2 to 1, going up 240%. Dash went up 1,172%. Ethereum Classic 1,100%. NEM went up 7,122%. I think you get the picture. The altcoins greatly outperformed Bitcoin. And here's a news flash for you. During the next big move up, Bitcoin will perform the worst. Altcoins will outperform Bitcoin by a huge factor. Introducing Portfolio Builder's 25 Altcoin Portfolio. This is a dynamic portfolio that changes your target size per coin as the 7-day trading volume for each coin changes. The higher the trading volume, the bigger the position. If you use the super risky setting, it artificially lowers the popularity of well-known coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash so that you have much larger positions in the altcoins. And if you look over to the right, you can see our smallest position is in the 1.5% range, while the largest is 8.9% sitting in Ethereum. This is designed to get the maximum return during a bull run in the cryptocurrency marketplace. But for those of you who don't like drawdown, we have the risky setting. This aims for a strong return, but it holds 17% of your portfolio in cash and 46% of your portfolio in Bitcoin. And the reason we do this is so that if there's further drawdown in the market, you'll have cash and Bitcoin on the sideline to rebalance your portfolio. And for those of you who really hate losing money, I have the smart setting. This puts 38% of your portfolio into cash, 34% into Bitcoin, and then very small positions in the altcoins. This is aiming for a defensive return. If the market goes down, you have plenty of Bitcoin and cash on the sideline to refuel your portfolio. But if the market goes up, you'll still do very well. Your money manager tells you exactly how many coins to buy or sell to keep your portfolio balanced with the right risk per coin at all times. And here's a quick look that shows you the coin differential, the last price, the Bitcoin cost, Ethereum cost, and USD cost to balance a typical portfolio out. So what do all these different coins do for the crypto ecosystem? Well, let's just take a look at a handful of the coins in our portfolio. Dash, a blockchain that pioneered built-in governance and privacy. As of shooting this video on July 13th, it traded $251 million in the last 24 hours with a $1.85 billion market cap. It's one of the top cryptocurrencies in the world. And during the last bubble pop, it went from $1,600 and is currently at a bargain price of around $200 per coin. Dash advertises itself as digital cash, a revolutionary digital money system, instant, private, and secure. Lisk, a cryptocurrency that enables developers to build decentralized applications using JavaScript. As of shooting this video, the same date, it had $6.8 million traded in the last 24 hours with a $500 million market cap. It crashed from nearly $40 a coin to around $5 and is at an extreme bargain right now. Lisk advertises itself as your blockchain made simple. Lisk's sidechain development kit makes it easy for you to build your own blockchain. Our tools are free for everyone, open source, and written in JavaScript. Discover your potential with sidechains. OMG, a cryptocurrency enabling financial inclusion and interoperability throughout the public OMG network. Next generation financial network and decentralized economy. The OMG network is a scaling solution for finance on Ethereum, enabling transparent peer-to-peer transactions in real time. The decentralized network facilitates self-sovereign financial services across geographies, asset classes, and applications. NEM, a cryptocurrency that uses proof of importance and supernodes to enable quick transactions and reliability. Trading $8.1 million in the last 24 hours with a $1.4 billion market cap. Advantages of NEM include: NEM's blockchain platform was designed and coded from the ground up for scale and speed. NEM's permissioned private blockchain delivers industry-leading transaction rates for internal ledgers, and its revolutionary consensus mechanism and the Supernode program ensure that NEM's open public blockchain can grow without ever compromising throughput or stability. Ease of development. NEM's blockchain exposes its functionality through a powerful API interface that can be used with any programming language, not a specific smart contract language. Existing business logic code can easily be made up and use blockchain where it's strongest. Secure transactions and ledger keeping. In short, configure NEM for your business and then deploy blockchain incrementally and without forced retooling of existing infrastructure. Deep customization. Unlike other blockchain technologies, NEM is built from the ground up with powerful modular customization in virtually any application. We call it our smart asset system. With it, NEM lets you focus on building exactly what you need, whether that's fintech system, tracking logistics, an ICO, document notarization, decentralized authentication, and much more. NEM's architecture provides an incredible, secure, and stable platform through its use of Engine Trust and its incentivized public node network based on its two-tier architecture. Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency with a history of charitable contributions. $5 million traded in the last 24 hours with a $268 million market cap. So what is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a decentralized peer-to-peer digital currency that enables you to easily send money online. Think of it as the internet's currency. And what's up with the dog? It's just our fun, friendly mascot. Dogecoin has a wallet phone app that allows you to instantly send money back and forth with your friends and people in your community. And doesn't claim to be the latest, hottest technology. It's just a useful coin that's been around a long time. Digibyte, a security-focused blockchain, traded $4.5 million in the last 24 hours with a $409 million market cap. Crashed from 12 cents at its peak and is currently trading at 0.04, another bargain price. Digibyte is a more secure, faster, and forward-thinking blockchain technology. After 4.5 years of consistent, committed development, rapid community growth, and new use cases, the Digibyte blockchain has become the world's longest, fastest, and most secure UTXO blockchain in existence. More secure, faster transactions, and forward thinking. Monero, a privacy-oriented cryptocurrency that anonymizes transactions using stealth and ring signatures. $24 million traded in the last 24 hours with a $1.9 billion market cap. This coin crashed from $480 in its last peak and is currently a steal at $120. Why Monero is different. Monero is secure. Monero is a decentralized cryptocurrency, meaning it is secure digital cash operated by a network of users. Transactions are confirmed by distributed consensus and then immutably recorded on the blockchain. Third parties do not need to be trusted to keep your Monero safe. Monero is private. Monero uses ring signatures, ring confidential transactions, and stealth addresses to obfuscate the origins, amounts, and destinations of all transactions. Monero provides all the benefits of a decentralized cryptocurrency without any of the typical privacy concessions. Monero is untraceable. Sending and receiving addresses as well as transacted amounts are obfuscated by default. Transactions on the Monero blockchain cannot be linked to a particular user or a real-world identity. Monero is fungible. Because it's private by default, units of Monero cannot be blacklisted by vendors or exchanges due to their association in previous transactions. Neo, a platform that uses a DBFT consensus model to enable smart contracts, trading $110 million in the last 24 hours with a $2.1 billion market cap. This coin crashed from $160 down to the bargain rate of $40 currently. Neo is a blockchain platform and cryptocurrency designed to build a scalable network of decentralized applications. The base asset of the Neo blockchain is the non-divisible Neo token, which generates gas tokens that can be used to pay for transaction fees generated by applications on the network. The list of advantages would be much faster, 1,000 transactions per second, which can be 10,000 with optimization and blocks clearing every 20 seconds. 2. Far less energy use due to dedicated bookkeeping nodes. 3. It cannot fork. 4. Support for multiple programming languages. 5. Proper consensus mechanism to come to decisions. And 6. It has 2 tokens, Neo and Gas, and thus offers greater flexibility. Qtum, a smart contract platform that can interoperate with smart contracts on other blockchains. $97 million traded in the last 24 hours with a $688 million market cap. This coin crashed from around $75 per coin down to $12 and competes with Neo and Ethereum in the smart contract dApp building business. Ripple XRP, a cryptocurrency enabling faster and cheaper bank-to-bank transactions. This coin traded $172 million in the last 24 hours with a $17.2 billion market cap. At its high in January of 2018, it traded at $3.20. Today it's trading for less than 60 cents and is an extreme bargain. XRP, the digital asset for payments. Use cases: banks using XRP. Banks can source liquidity on demand in real time without having to pre-fund accounts. Payment providers use XRP to expand reach into new markets, lower foreign exchange costs, and provide faster payment settlements. And its biggest selling proposition is its speed, 4 seconds compared to Ethereum's 2 minutes to Bitcoin's 1+ hours. Stratis, the native token for accessing the Stratis Enterprise blockchain as a service platform. $2 million traded in the last 24 hours with a $229 million market cap. This coin crashed from $20 to around $250 and is also an extreme bargain right now. Stratis offers simple and affordable end-to-end solutions for development, testing, and deployment of native C+ blockchain applications on the .NET framework. What is Stratis's biggest advantage? First and foremost, Stratis enables existing developers to leverage their current C+ and .NET knowledge because the platform is based around these two technologies. This is a huge advantage because it's essentially lowering the barrier to entry for developers and businesses to get started developing blockchain-based apps. Ethereum, for example, requires learning a new language called Solidity. Verge, a privacy-orientated cryptocurrency that uses I2P and Tor to anonymize transactions, traded $4.8 million in the last 24 hours with a $334 million market cap. also trading at an extreme bargain. Privacy as a choice and secure and anonymous cryptocurrency. Also, Verge partnered with Pornhub. Vertcoin, a cryptocurrency built to resist ACIC mining and thus centralized mining control. A big complaint about Bitcoin is that it requires very expensive computers to mine Bitcoin and only very rich people own them. Vertcoin is designed to not benefit those miners. $357,000 traded in the last 24 hours with a $41 million market cap. This coin has crashed from $10 to around $1. What is Vertcoin? Vertcoin is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Litecoin with an added focus on keeping the ecosystem as decentralized as possible. Our goal, cryptocurrency is worthless unless it's decentralized. Currently, Bitcoin and Litecoin have the majority of their hash rate owned by large mining conglomerates in China. This is far from safe. Vertcoin was created in 2014 with the intention of being easily mined by the masses. Anyone can mine Vertcoin using existing hardware and be paid in cryptographically secure Vertcoin. Stellar Lumens, $32 million traded in the last 24 hours with a $3.5 billion market cap. This coin crashed from 80 cents down to 20 cents and is also trading at an extreme bargain. Understanding their advantages is very technical, but I have found a few quotes from their white paper. SEP is the first provably safe consensus mechanism to enjoy 4 key properties simultaneously. Decentralized control. Anyone is able to participate, and no central authority dictates whose approval is required for consensus. Low latency. In practice, nodes can reach consensus at time scales humans expect for web or payment transactions, i.e. a few seconds at most. Flexible trust. Users have the freedom to trust any combination of parties they see fit. For example, a small nonprofit may play a key role in keeping a much larger institution honest. Asymptotic security. Safety rests on digital signatures and hash families whose perimeters can realistically be tuned to protect against adversaries with unimaginably vast computing power. Status. A cryptocurrency enabling an ecosystem of decentralized apps, messaging, and payments. $8.5 million traded in the last 24 hours with a $228 million market cap. This coin crashed from 60 cents down to 0.075 cents and just recently came out with its mainnet. Now there's an app for Status where you can chat and exchange cryptocurrencies. Zcash, a privacy-focused cryptocurrency with the option to create completely anonymous transactions. $48 million traded in the last 24 hours with a $701 billion market cap. This coin is very similar to other privacy coins and is also trading at an extreme discount right now. Internet money. Bitcoin and most cryptocurrencies expose your entire payment history to the public. Zcash is the first open, permissionless cryptocurrency that can fully protect the privacy of transactions using zero-knowledge cryptography. Shielded transactions hide the sender, recipient, and value on the blockchain. If Bitcoin is like HTTP for money, Zcash is HTTPS, a secure transport layer. There are more cryptocurrencies that are worth owning, but these are the 25 that are the easiest for the average investor to get their hands on. And our portfolio builder determines position size by each coin's 7-day trading volume. The more trading volume, the more popularity, the bigger the position. So you got to be asking yourself, is right now a good time to buy cryptos? Can you guess how much Amazon crashed during the dot-com burst? Amazon had a negative 94% max loss, going from $100 to $5.50 over a 2-year bear market. But today it trades at $1,800. How about during the 2008 mortgage crisis? Would you believe that Amazon crashed 64% in 12 months? Overall, Amazon has returned 120,000% in the past 20 years. And although there's been extreme volatility, if you bought and held for the long term, you did extremely well. So let me ask you, is now a good time to invest in cryptocurrencies? Let's ask the experts. Baron Rothschild. Buy when there's blood in the streets, even if the blood is your own. John D. Rockefeller. The way to make money is to buy when blood is running in the streets. Warren Buffett. We simply attempt to be fearful when others are greedy, and to be greedy when others are fearful. So the answer is yes. While we may have some more downside ahead, there may be a lot less than you think. So you'd better download the Portfolio Builder today and get busy building your portfolio. Thanks for your time, and do subscribe to our channel.